you guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm coming to you with yet another unit from the Outre Airtied collection. This one is going to be in the style HHB-Natural Body Wave 22 inch, and this one's going to be in the color number 2. So this is what the stock card for her is looking like. And on the inside of the stock card, you're just going to get some information as far as the cap construction of the unit and the lace area. This one is going to be available in 6 special colors. So when you go ahead and take this one out of the box, what you're going to notice is it is going to have a pre-plucked hairline with smaller knots. It's also going to come with some baby hairs. This one lists that it is a contoured lace hairline. And as far as the inside of the cap construction, you are going to get that 13x6 fully hand-tied Vanish HD lace frontal. And it's going to come with 2 combs in the front. And since this is from the Airtied collection, the difference for this cap is going to be it's supposed to be trackless. So it's going to be a lightweight and breathable mesh cap. You're going to see a comb in the back as well as your adjustable straps. And it is going to come with this pre-attached elastic band for a glueless install. So first I'm just going to go ahead and tint that lace. This is my even lace tint spray in the color medium dark brown. And that's what it's looking like after I've sprayed that tint all over the lace. And now I'm just going to slap this bad boy on the wig head and give you guys a little 360 of it just to show you what it's looking like. So like it says on the stock card, this one is going to be 22 inches and the texture on this one is going to be a silky yaki. The style, of course, is going to be wavy. And then I'm just going to bring it up closer to show you guys what the hairline is looking like on this one. I was pretty happy with this one. I didn't feel the need to go in and do any additional plugging because I feel like they did a pretty good job on the hairline as it comes. So I just went in and cut my lace off camera, and I just went in with my scalloped pinking shears. Now I'm just installing it on my head to see if I like the fit of it. This cap definitely does have a good amount of stretch to it, you guys. I did go ahead and adjust the adjustable straps as tight as they can go, and I feel like it's fitting my head very nicely. The lace is definitely going ear to ear. My head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, and I still did have some stretch, and it did still fit my head super secure to the point where I was able to wear it glueless. So I think if you do have a large size head, you should be okay to get away with wearing this one. I think one of my favorite things about this collection is the fact that they do have the trackless cap. So if you go ahead and run your hands through the hair, it's not like you feel any tracks or anything protruding like that, in addition to just the lace being super thin and super easy to melt and blend. And now I'm just going to start parting it out. I'm going to start with a middle part. It is a human hair blend. Even though it is on the silkier side, I didn't get too much tangling, too much shedding, and the quality of the hair overall felt pretty good. And as far as the density on this one, I really like the density, you guys. This one's coming off about 150%, so it's like right in the middle. It's not on the thinner, more natural side, if that makes sense. It's right in the middle. So if you're somebody who leans more towards fuller hair, but you don't want the hair to be overwhelming, I definitely would suggest this one. As far as the curl pattern on this one, I have been wearing this one for about a week now, and something to keep in mind is just as far as the texture is concerned and the curls are concerned, this is going to be one where the curls kind of tangle into themselves, if that makes sense. Like I said, it wasn't a crazy amount of tangling, but just the way that the curls are maneuvered and the way that the hair texture is, these curls kind of fall into themselves, so it's going to be helpful to go in with some sort of brush or wide tooth comb to help separate them. And I did notice a little bit of humpiness with this one, so I just went in with my bristle brush and started brushing the humpage down. I didn't go in with any heat because I feel like it was good like that. This is my first time using the Tinted Mousse, and I just feel like it really helped a lot with making that lace just blend in better with my skin tone. And just note, this product can be a little bit messy, you guys, so I tried to just be a little bit sparse when it came to just adding it in, especially because it started getting on my forehead and stuff, so I didn't want to have like a crazy looking line. But when you just get it on the lace itself and comb it into the hair, it just helps give it more of a natural blend. And then now I'm going to go in with my The Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's, and I'm going to go in with the color Yodit and mix that with the color Kufuru just to help tint the lace even more and get rid of any of that cast that I'm seeing. And I definitely was a fan of how the blend turned out when I paired that lace tint mousse with my Juvia's Place And I'm just gonna go in on the other side and do the same thing. And it can look a little bit intimidating at first when you're going in with that colored foaming mousse, but just stick with it. Make sure you're getting it right on the lace and into the hair, just so that you're not dealing with a bunch of cleanup later on, getting it off of your forehead. I learned that the hard way because it kind of started spilling on my head and I had to go in and clean it up afterwards. And the good thing about this mousse too is that it's not like staining or anything like that, so if you do get it on your fingers, on your head or whatever, you can just easily go in with water and just wipe it off. Now I'm just going to go in again with the Juvias and the color Yodit mixed with Kafuru and just start adding that around the perimeter of the lace. And the blend is coming out really good with this one, you guys. And then I'm just going to brush that down some to make sure I have no humpiness. And I am wearing this one glueless, you guys. I just wanted to show you real quick. Look at that. Glueless Install. They were not playing when they listed it as glueless. I was definitely here for the fact that I was able to wear it glueless, especially because it's the summer and we don't want to have to be worrying about applying wigs down and all that inside of this heat. And like I said, I've been wearing this one for a bit, and one of the key things I feel like to keep in mind is that since it is a human hair blend, you definitely aren't going to get gigantic issues when it comes to tangling and shedding, but you are definitely going to get some. I feel like this is definitely going to be one where a paddle brush or a wide tooth comb is definitely going to be necessary, and then also probably just some Simply Stylin pure silicone spray to just help mitigate some of that tangling and shedding. But overall, I feel like this one was really cute, and I just think the length of it, like I said, is 22 inches, is going to be good for sort of an everyday wear. So as far as my cons and my pros on this unit, honestly, I don't really have any cons. Like you guys know, I always say I'm a yucky girl for life, so that's probably just my own personal con, is that I wish it was just more yucky. But other than that, the pros on it are, I feel like they did a fantastic job with this hairline. I didn't have to put in any additional work when it came to plucking. I feel like it looks very natural. The fact that I was able to wear this glueless while doing multiple styles, the fact that it just looks really realistic and effortless, and I absolutely would say that you could wear this one as everyday hair. As a whole, I'm just really a fan of the Outre Airtied line. I feel like their lace is fantastic. It's thin, it's easy to blend, it's easy to melt, and in addition to the lace, of course, I'm just absolutely a fan of the cap construction itself. The fact that they have come out with this whole trackless vibe when it comes to this mesh breathable cap, I am 150% here for it, you guys. It just makes it feel so much more realistic when you have it on your head. So I'm absolutely a fan of this one, and I feel like if you guys pick it up, you will be too. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any of the colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.